Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is now 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good day pageant lovers, here are the full swimsuit performances of the 4 strongest and most outstanding women in the Miss Universe 2025 competition. These 4 delivered exceptional stage presence, powerful walks and unmatched confidence during the swimsuit round. Puerto Rico, Colombia, Philippines, and Thailand. Each of them showed world-class pasarela, flawless posing, and total control of their angles, proving why they are the front runners of this year's edition. From their elegance, walking down the stairs to their commanding presence at center stage, these candidates truly set the bar high. Watch their complete performances and tell us in the comments who is your best performer in the swimsuit round. Don't forget to like and subscribe for us to give you more updates. At mga bagong balita tungkol sa ating reyna na si Atisa Manalo at sa kanyang Miss Universe journey. Maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat din sa pag-subscribe.